Okay, guys, cooling my jets, yeah. I'm gonna see, yesterday I was trying to find the moon in front of the sun because it should have been in front of the sun. I couldn't see it up there when the skies was clear. We had clouds off and on. This morning we have a really, really clear sky. And the sun's going to be coming up here in about, about an hour, I guess. I'm going to see if I can see the moon, because what I've experienced, and as I say, I'm no astronomer, what I have experienced since I've been involved with filming the moon a little bit, what I've experienced is sometimes the sun washes out the moon when the moon gets close. And of course, the moon used to be called Sin. The Sin, the goddess of sin. Anyway, like I say in a lot of my videos, I like to put out the idea of what was our ancient ancestors originally thinking when they designed these biblical personification stories. Now, Jesus, in the storyline, there's claims that Jesus could wash away sin, right? So with that in mind, we'll stay in touch here, and I'll do another video in a few minutes to splice it to this one. It's about 5:52 this morning. October 8th, 2015. The sun's coming up. I want to see what's going to happen to this moon. The ancient moon goddess, Sin. Now, I have observed this before, but I don't quite understand it fully. But I know when that sun comes up, and that moon is falling back because it moves slower in what we call its orbit, whatever that might be. You see the rooftop, kind of get a perspective of, and you can see the moon phase. This is what I'm trying to do too, see? I'm into the flat earth concept, basically. I am not trying to prove anything one way or the other. I'm just trying to say there's some logical stuff in that stuff. You know, I'm not making a stand on anything. I'm an observationist, not a dogmatic cult mind control lunatic. That's not me. My whole thing about everything I do on my channel is designed to kind of put a perspective on astrological personification observations, because we all know that, at least in my opinions of the way I put my channel together, my videos, that Jesus is, the storylines are equivalent to our sun, the light of the world, and our sun is getting ready to rise up from the horizon. Sunrise, right? And my point here, in the biblical context of Jesus' abilities and powers as a divine deity, Jesus washes away sin. And now, if the frickin' moon goddess, if in the context of the writers thinking when they wrote that in a metaphoric matter, then of course they would have known that the moon was sin. They would have known that the sun was the light of the world, and then the application would have been that the sunlight washes away sin, making it to where you cannot see it. Right? There you go. See, understanding what's called the sailors, people out on the boats, you know, sailors' stories. Yeah, astrological personification, the ancient myths, they did have major application in the real world at that time. They were important stories. Nowadays, the stories are just used to put a guilt trip out on people. But hey, that's why I'm here. I'm helping you. So we're going to keep a track of this moon and the sun as it comes up. So hang on, guys. Okay, about 10 after 6. Mainly interested in Venus here, and the moon, of course. Seems to be staying pretty much in pace with the moon as the moon continues to rise and move, transit across my sky above me. You can get a perspective of the rooftop of my house. Relationship to this rooftop. Gives us a good perspective, doesn't it? Yeah? Okay. There you go. So we'll come out here in a little while, maybe another 20 minutes. About 6:25. Can still see. What do you guys think? The Samsung camera starts fading in and out, in and out. Well, it's not doing it now. In and out in the sunlight. There, it's doing it right there. Maybe I just don't know how to set the light sensitivity, I don't know. I was using my step as a pivot point. Now I've literally picked the camera up and I'm holding it. You can still see Venus, right? I'm assuming that's what that is. That's what I've been told, Venus. I'm not an astronomer. I wouldn't want to be one. Nope. Fading in and out, in and out. Samsung. See, that's like 13 zoom or something. 13, 14, I don't know, somewhere there. Trying to keep this on the screen. No, it's about 17 or 18, I guess. I'll back out here. Okay, the sun is up. You can see it reflecting off of the little buildings over there. Those are those two street lights. I captured the moon. I was in a different position. When I captured the moon. Between the street lights, I was over here by my garage. Corner of my garage. Right here. That's your famous street light. Street light. Field goal. Anyway, for people like watching my videos, that'll give them a perspective. But hey, this is what I'm doing this morning here. The sun is up. Can't see it very well over there in the sky yet. But it's bright enough, it's high enough that those buildings are capturing sunlight and reflecting from the building over there at the power plant. I'm following this moon this morning, right guys? Am I a lunatic? No, I would never want to be a lunatic. Where is that moon? Right there. I can hold it pretty steady. Guess I'm gonna have to get down a little bit lower. Well, that tool don't work where the shit does it. I want to see if I can still see that Venus. Can you guys see it there? Whoop. Right there it is. Still see it. The morning star, whatever, Venus. It's not the Luciferian star. Okay, 7 o'clock. And the sun is up, 100% up. This is pretty interesting. For me at least, it's my first time to actually have this particular observation. Let's see if I can find it here. Let's see there. Can you guys see it? When it focuses in, barely, it flickers every once in a while. Yeah, there you can see it right there. I can see it. Still got Venus. Still see it. Can still see it. Sunrise. I can still see it. That's pretty amazing. Never noticed that before, but like I said, I'm not an astronomer. I wouldn't want to be one. I wouldn't want to put all the research information together for the personification metaphor, but it would take a frickin' lifetime to put these frickin' stories together in their proper context. So there we go. I still see that baby up there. Alrighty. So thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, don't subscribe. But remember, always have a good day. I don't know, this moon don't look like it's going to disappear today. I might post another little short minute video later, but I got a lot to put together right now. So remember, have a good day.